In this video, we're going to be talking about Harmony One. We're going to be analyzing the price of Harmony One, basically giving a technical analysis upon price action, basically to see where price is heading over the next few days and weeks. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs, and as well as that, before investing into Harmony One, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on CoinMarketCap, you can see Harmony One is currently down 1.6%. You can see here on the chart, provide that Harmony One was pretty much trading within a range on at the start of the day, and then we did have an initial drop towards the downside, which therefore led towards an initial increase, pretty much making the high of 0.126. I feel like this was mainly due to Bitcoin. Bitcoin did have a rise, and then from then onwards Bitcoin also did have a drop, which therefore feel like this initiated the drop towards the low of 0.120. But it looks like Bitcoin is slowly starting to recover as well, so it looks like Harmony One is starting to recover as well. But if we check on the weekly before we go over to trading view, you can see here that on the weekly we're still overall bearish. From this low distribution schematic that did play out, we still haven't even reached the highs of that yet, or even taken out the liquidity based pull on base pretty much based above these equal highs and equal lows essentially. So yeah, let's go over to trading view. You can see here on a Harmony One, let me just get rid of this. Yeah, so you can see here Harmony One on the 4 hour. We're still upon this very strong demand zone. We're just gonna have to wait and see. You can see we tapped up into this demand zone once. Possibly let me drop into the lower time frame to have a bit more in-depth analysis. So yeah, you could pretty much see that this could be, you could call this a little accumulation schematic, or you could not. But I feel like we just need a bit more candles essentially. Or in fact, you could pretty much say that this is an accumulation schematic. Selling climate, secondary test, the spring, then the retest coming, and then from this we could possibly reach the highs of 0.142. But obviously this is in the hourly time frame. We're more long-term daily investors. So what can be said, it just depends on the overall crypto market. You got to take into consideration that Bitcoin as well. And so if you look at Bitcoin right now, you can see Bitcoin is pretty much accumulating on the 4 hour. If we check on the 1 hour, you can see that Bitcoin is starting to accumulate. We can see here that all of this demand zone has been liquidated, which is really nice to see. And then from that onwards, we did have the initial increase towards upside, pretty much breaking structure, and then we did induce this pretty much demand zone, which therefore led towards another higher high being made. But then obviously there was a really strong supply zone, which therefore caused price to come back down, and we tapped up into this demand zone, pretty much inducing the weak-handed buyers essentially in this area. And it looks like this was the initial retest that we needed, and hopefully we can reach the highs of 40k, pretty much reach past 40k, possibly even towards the 45k mark essentially. But we're just gonna have to wait and see over the days. But if we go back over to Harmony One, to see how price is getting on. So the main reason is that we just need Bitcoin in order for price to pretty much manipulate. Bitcoin is the overall leader of all the coins. So if Bitcoin is bearish, then everything else is bearish. But once we start reaching into a bull market, everything is starting to become bullish again. Then I feel like Harmony One does have the potential to reach $1. But it just takes a matter of time to know when Bitcoin can become bullish again, pretty much reach past the 69k mark. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see that, and hope that price doesn't keep following. And but I feel like right now we're in a very strong demand zone, which possibly hopefully could pretty much hold. But you never know with crypto. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. And peace.